Hi friends, welcome to Ansel. So today it is the 52nd episode in the biology series. So today we're going to start like another system in the human body. So this system is nothing other than the immune system. So you may ask, why is this board blank? Why are there letters all over? So today I'm going to I'm going to explain you what the immune system is with all of this clear space without anything being like any like a wall. Yes, so like a disturbance. So let's start. So like the immune system is first like the defending body of our human body. But you may think, but what are its organs? So first I need to draw. So first here is the head of the human body. Next are the hands, the legs. The first time drawing a human body this neatly. Yes, the first time in my whole life actually. So the immune system has again one subsystem inside it. So this system is known as the lymph system. So its secondary use is to transport immune cells. That means the defender cells from one place to another. So it is like the highway. Yes. Again, so okay, it stretches all over from the top of her head to the toes of her feet. Yes. So it is just like the circulatory system but bit more green. Yes. So we're going to discuss about this lymphatic system in another episode. Yes. So yeah, it takes some time to draw this. So wait for it. It is just like how the nervous system, the nerves in the nervous system go all over the body. Just like that. It goes everywhere. It is literally everywhere in our body. So our immune cells can reach that place easier. Yes. So yeah. That is one of the use of the this lymphatic system, but still it has another use. So its other use is, that means when inflammation happens, like when we cut our fingers, so it inflames a bit, right? So or swells it bit, right? So that is known as inflammation. So the blood is sent out from the blood vessels because inside the blood there are some immune cells, as well there are rich nutrients for the immune cells. Yes, supplies and immune cells, 2 in 1 in the blood. Yes. So after the bath is finally over, the blood may go back into the bloodstream, but still some of the plasma may remain inside our body. So if this plasma still remains inside our skin, like those areas, our body will be very swelling. So that's why the lymphatic system takes this plasma and puts it back inside our blood system. The circulatory system. Again, this lymphatic system has many nodes called lymph nodes. Yes. So the liquid inside is also called lymph nodes. Yes. So there are 600 lymph nodes inside all of the lymphatic system. Yes. So inside these nodes, they are like mega cities for our immune cells, as well as they connect with the blood circulatory system too. Yes. So yeah, there are a lot of them. So next is the spleen. So the spleen stores some cells which are needed by this system. Yes. Even the bone marrows of our inside our bones play a small role. Yes. So yeah. Okay. Next. So the immune system is mainly outside of these organs. It is mainly made up of free moving cells. Normally, if you think of cells, you may think of imagine like many cells grouping up to create an organ. But these immune cells are not like that. They are free moving. They can go they can go on walks. While these abnormal cells are just doing online working. Yes. While the immune cells are the gods of the human body. Yes. So that's why they just move around. Yes. So yeah. So the main use of the immune system is to mainly defend against the bacteria, viruses, and even cancer here inside our body. Yes, but still sometimes the immune system fails. Yes, so sometimes there are things called autoimmune diseases. That is when our immune system mistakenly attacks our body and it wreaks havoc all over the body. Examples of these include AIDS, yes, even cancer, but cancer is not autoimmune. It is like, so yeah, in cancer the cells attack the immune system, yes, while asthma is another autoimmune disease, yes. So yeah, okay. So next, the immune system is again into two types. So these are the innate system and the adaptive system. So yeah, first I'm going to draw like a table. So here is the adaptive and here is the innate. So the innate system is the system that is there since we are born. Yes, when we are born, the innate system is still inside us. So that's why it is known as innate. So it doesn't it recognizes between the cells and the enemies by, yes. So while the adaptive system, so first we must discuss about another organ of the immune system. So this is called the thymus. So it is in this region. So after we get older and older, it becomes smaller and smaller until it is gone. So that's why we die of old age. So because of this thymus. Yes. So yeah. Okay, so the thymus is like, so first let's think about the adaptive cells. So adaptive cells are not there inside our body since childhood. So they start coming and coming until we get a lot of them. Yes. So here we are going to discuss about this adaptive system in later videos, but still the adaptive system is very confusing. And also this adaptive system is the largest library ever known to man. Yes. So again we are going to discuss that in other videos. So okay, be excited for that. Yes. So the immune system is pretty complicated too. Yes. So first, inside the thymus, so thymus is like a university for these adaptive cells. Yes, inside this university, so these adaptive cells go through a training process in which they identify between which cells are enemies and which cells are our own body cells. Yes, so like that. Inside this thymus, this is only trained, and only 2% of the 100% of the 2% of adaptive cells will only get out. Yes, if there are 100 adaptive cells which went through the thymus to get their training, only 2 will remain. Yes, they will only pass and they got their graduation degree, and yeah, they're pretty proud of themselves. And also so the adaptive system has some cells, while the innate system has some cells. So the main cells of the innate system include macrophages, dendritic cells, and example like that. So next, in the adaptive system, the main cells include the T cells, B cells. Yeah. So yeah. So first again, another main important thing about the adaptive system is each cell can fight against each different bacteria. Yes. So for example, here is like another table. So cell, attacker. So yeah, let's put it like this. So if one bacteria which just like an oval comes, one of these T cell or B cell can attack, while another attacker which is now shaped like a normal circle attacks, then there's a perfect combination of cell which can attack that bacteria or attacker. Yes, that means there's a chance that there is even a cell, a T cell that is prepared for an attacker which is still not there. There's literally every combination that could be there. Billions or even trillions of combinations. Yes. So yeah, inside the DNA they can just change and the receptors change. Yes. So yeah, this immune system is very confusing to understand. There's even a book about it. Yes. So yeah, I think there's still about this immune system only I'm going to release to like 20 episodes about just this. So yeah, bye.